Hello friends, today in this tutorial I just wanted to show you a new e-commerce website that I developed on my coding skills. So procodestore.com. This is a WordPress website that I developed yesterday. So yesterday I didn't posted any video because I was making this website. So I bought this domain which is procodestore.com. So here I will just upload my projects, all the premium projects that I will make, and you will be able to buy those at very cheap price. You will see only 20 rupees, 15 rupees. So you can see all these coding projects that I will upload here. So this is a website here, procodestore.com, and I made this using WordPress and a nice plugin which is called as Woocommerce. So if you just search on Google, which is Woocommerce, this is a very famous plugin if you want to make any sort of e-commerce website. So I make use of this plugin WooCommerce, and inside this you will see a very nice picture about me and explaining here, and you can also contact me. This is the email, website, and also WhatsApp number given here, and a nice footer is also there. So here I will list out all the products here. You can see this is a grid light structure here. So this will contain many products such as coding products, any sort of script that I need to share. You can just go to it, procodestore.com. I will also give in the link in the video description. And in many of the upcoming future videos, I will post the premium source code in this website. So if you want to download it, you can just purchase it. So now let's suppose I take example here. If I want to look in detail about this, you can just click it, and in a model like structure it will just show you the preview of the tool here, and this will have a short description and a price you can see. And if you want to buy this, you can just click this, and now inside the next window it will show you this screen here. So you can just click the purchase button if you want to purchase it. So you can see, first of all, you also need to register here because before purchasing it you need to register. So here you can fill out your first name, last name, and phone number, email address, and also various payment gateways I have integrated. First is Instamojo, then we have Paytm QR code, then we have pay with UPI QR code, and then we have PayPal. So in the upcoming time I will add more payment gateways so that people will find easier in order to buy the product. So let's take example here. Let's suppose I first of all register here, and you can see either you can log in or register. It supports many features here. If you enter an invalid email which is not registered, if you enter an invalid email and password, this also has a functionality of remember me. If you click login, it will show you error that unknown email address, check again for try your username. And you can also, if you forgot your password, you can click this lost your password, and now you need to provide the username or email, and then it will email you the password here. It will send you a link at your email address. You can just create a new password or reset your password. And now we can log in it also. If you have a existing email address, you can just provide that email address and also password. Let's suppose I create a new one. If I register here, let's suppose I provide an email address which is, and if I click register, now you will see it will, in the next screen you are log in here. You can see hello, and if you click this button you will be able to log out as well. And if you just open your email address, it will send out a password to you. So just let me just show you, just wait here. So let me just open this. So if you open that Gmail ID where you have registered here, you can just find, let me just add new account here. So this is, I think this is this account here. So let me just sign in here and show to you. They have send out. Just wait. So I'm approving the login here, so just wait. So now if you open this, you will be seeing a message from this editor. Your pro code store has been created, and you will receive a message, welcome message. So there you will see your password here. So simply you need to change your password. Just log in it, just copy it here. And if I just log out here, let's suppose I click log out. So now you can see, are you sure to log out? Confirm and log out. And now we can log in here with our email address. And then you can use that password that is given to your email address, which is automatically generated by the website. So this is all taken care with this WooCommerce plugin. You just need to install it and activate this plugin. So this will all handle this stuff to you. So if I paste this password, remember me, and log in. So you will see you're successfully logged in. And now we can also, let me just show you how to buy a product here. Let's suppose you can also filter it as well by the prices as well, or you can also search for a specific category here, you can see, and also by product type as well. So you can see, or you can manually search as well a specific product. So let's suppose I want to buy this product here. So simply I will click it and click the purchase button, and then you can select the payment gateway, whichever payment gateway you need to select here. Let's suppose I take the example of Paytm QR code here. Simply I will fill out these details, phone number, email address. So here you can just replace it. So now after this you can place your order here. So click this button, and in the new window you can see, thank you, your order has been received. You need to scan your QR code. So this is my QR code here. So simply you need to scan it with your mobile phone. So after successful payment you will be able to download your product. So this will be there inside your download section. So if a successful payment is made here, you will see it will be listed out all these products here. So after successful payment, so this is a Paytm QR code. We also have different payment gateways, I think. So again, if you purchase it, this is Instamojo. Instamojo, as you know, is a very popular gateway. And this is UPI QR code, which supports PhonePe, Bheem, Google Pay, Paytm. And last but not least, we have PayPal in order to support international transactions. So if you are a people outside from India, you can use PayPal as well. So just pay using PayPal. So in the upcoming videos, I will show you how to integrate all these payment gateways using WooCommerce. So inside your website here, I will make future videos on that. So in this video, I just wanted to share this website to you. So just make sure that you log to this website. I will add premium scripts and applications daily here. So make sure that you go to this website, procodestore.com, and also share it with your friends. And I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.